This is a video to show you how to deal with these pesky rubber clips for the MGB sun visor. On mine, the issue is that the visors always seem to pop out. The clips are pretty weak. They're just kind of soft rubber, and it just drives me crazy. And then when the top is lowered, it seems like the visor has a tough time fitting in there. So there's a gentleman by the name of Jim Miller who devised a solution to this issue. And what he did was he 3D printed some clips where your visor will just sit right in there. So the kit comes with 2 of these clips plus screws, and it was pretty cool. He even threw in a 3D printed MGB keychain, which was unexpected, and that's nice. But his website is moderntouring.com. So if you go there, you'll see some other things that he has created specifically for MGs. So what I'm going to do today is replace these rubber clips and put in the 3D printed ones so that my issues with sun visor will go away. And I know that what a lot of people will do is just remove the sun visors completely. That's an option, but that's not something that I wanted to do. I want to retain my sun visors, but I just want a better clipping mechanism. So what I will do is remove these rubber clips. This is actually the second time I've had these. This is the second set of clips I've had. The initial ones were really worn out, and they were held in place by a safety pin that the original owner had put on there. But that didn't work very well either. And what you may notice if you try to remove your clips is that they're riveted in rather than screws. So the first time you remove them, what you want to do is drill in here and in here. I think I used a 1/8 bit to remove it, and you have to make sure you don't go too deep, otherwise you run the risk of cracking the windshield. But when I drilled out my rivets, I replaced them with screws so that now it's easier to replace. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and change that, and we'll see how they look. Okay, so I removed the old clip, and I'm just screwing this new one in. Like I said, it comes with screws, so after you drill out that rivet, you can just put it right in. And man, that's a perfect fit. That's nice. Pops right out, and now I don't need to worry about this situation where they just fall right out. So it's an easy fix. It looks kind of glossy. It's like I said, it's 3D printed plastic. It's heavy duty. On his website, he has a picture where he has, I believe it's 48 pounds of weight hanging from one of these hooks that's screwed into a wall, and it supports the weight with no issue. So again, if you want to, go to moderntouring.com and order yourself a set. They're $20 for a pair. Again, that includes the hardware, and that also includes free shipping anywhere in the world. So if you're located overseas or in Canada, that's actually a pretty good deal to have the shipping included. But for me, it's worth the $20 because I got so tired of my visor just flopping out while I was working on my car or driving. So anyway, I hope that you found this information to be helpful. All right, bye.